Oh god, I'm late for my job!
Alright, he's back. So what are we doing today? What series?
2BrosPhysics.
Exactly. 2.3, fool. Let's read it.
Why did you call me fool?
Haha, sorry.
I swear I will edit your brain to make sure you forget that word every single second. And then you can never say it
Alright,
again.
so 2.3, honestly. Let's start reading it. Yeah, 2.3. Go ahead.
Okay? If the acceleration of the is a function of time, it's given by a of t equal at and give x equals v equals 0 with t equal, what is xt?
Okay, so a of t is equal to at and x equals v equals 0 at t equals 0. And so what is x of t? So what should I do? What is x of t? What's the relationship between acceleration, velocity, and position?
Oh yeah, xt is actually the double integral of at.
Ah, yes. So to go from acceleration to velocity, what do we do?
Integral.
From velocity to acceleration?
Derivative.
No.
No, you said.
Oh, sorry, I misspoke. From velocity to position is integral. And if you want to go the other way, then what do you use?
Derivative.
Exactly.
The integral has such a simple sign, but the derivative, it looks so complex. Why?
Well, you know what? How I read the derivative?
What?
Here, I read it like this.
Prime?
No.
What
But people just say I'm weird, so I don't do that.
What the frick is that? It looks like a integral rotated 90 degrees. Did you make that up on the fly?
No.
Just to sound cool? Okay, Eddie.
Coolmaths.com. Not our sponsor, by the way, but our sponsor is brilliant. Anyway.
We're going to make a new domain on Bluehost about that thing.
So, let's take the integral of a of t. So, the integral of a of t with respect to what? dt. So, what do we get? What is a of t?
I was a little sleepy while late for my job.
What is a of t?
A of t is 80.
80. So let me go ahead and replace that by 80. So what can I do to find the integral? Wait, please stop.
Okay.
Stop.
I think you go, the a is a constant, right?
So I can take it out?
Yeah.
So if I take out my constant, what can I do then?
Take the integral t to the n plus 1 over n plus 1.
Oh, so t to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. What rule is that? Do you remember?
The integral rule.
The reverse power rule.
Reverse power
Yeah, exactly.
But doesn't that mean that the denominator is always equal to the exponent?
Yeah, it does. That's one of the cool rules, I guess. Anyway, so what does that mean?
Oh boy.
So what does this become?
This becomes a times t squared over 2.
Oh, I see. So a times t squared over 2.
Or a t squared over 2.
So a t squared over 2.
But that's the v of t. Although answer a is a t squared over 2, and you may have already gotten tired,
But
which is only v of
remember, that's v of t, but what is plus c? But what is v of 0?
V of 0 is 0?
Yeah, t equals 0, v is 0. So that means c is 0. So that means, what is x of t?
X of t is going to be a times the integral of a over 2 times the integral of t squared.
Okay, with respect to what?
With respect to t.
So dt, and then what?
I respect you, t.
Yep, and what do I do now?
You take out the a over 2.
Okay, so I'm going to take out the a over 2. Why? Can you explain why?
It's a constant.
It is a constant, yes. So I take out the a over 2, and what do I integrate?
Make sure that fraction isn't doing any ghastly things like, phasing through integrals or whatnot.
Yeah, so what is the integral of t squared?
The integral of t squared seems to be not equal t to cubed over 3.
So x of t is equal to t cubed over 3
times a over 2.
Over 2.
Which gives
plus
us
c. But what is x of 0?
But c is 0.
Exactly, because x of 0 is also 0. So c is 0.
That's gonna give us 18 cubed over 6.
So, well, let me see. What was our final expression?
Why do you have to include a pizza on the title screen?
Well, why not? So, our final
Isn't that a
answer?
stock image of 2Bros Pizza?
Yep.
Is it not the pizza company? Although they have the same acronym, 2B Pizza.
So, what is our final position function?
18 cubed over 6.
That's it. So, what's our answer choice?
E.
E.
Like most people will make on polls nowadays.
Yeah, so give our sponsorship message.
Oh god,
Brilliant
I just realized the brilliant salesman.
Brilliant.org, folks. Go ahead and go to brilliant.org/BarryScienceLab for 20% off your premium subscription.
Ambition plus MKO plus scaffolding equal learning. We believe anyone can learn anything. That's why our motto is memorization is a crime. And that's why we partnered with Brilliant.
Brilliant transforms math and science into hands-on activities so that you too can understand everything from first grade math to E equals MC squared. Barry Science Lab and Brilliant is your MKO and will give you the scaffolding to expand your ZPD until you become the next Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein.
Visit brilliant.org/Barry Science Lab today. And the first 50 of you to use that link will get a 20% discount on the Brilliant annual subscription.
Don't forget that you too can become the next Einstein. So let's fall in love with math and science.